Yes, sir. Welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in Good Kitchen. So what I'm having tonight, I'm having some fried fish, shrimp, and grits. We have some salmon right here. Everything clean, pat dry. We have our shrimps. Everything cleaned out the vein. Little chicken bouillon. We have our grits. We have our green onions, freshly out the garden. So we're about to make it happen. Okay, so we finna season it up, give it a nice coat. We have our Louisiana hot sauce. We have our yellow mustard. Okay. Now it's time for the seasoning. Paprika. For the color. Blackened seasoning. Lemon pepper. There we go. Now we're going to mix it in. Okay, so we have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a tablespoon of baking powder. Now we're going to season it up. The season we're using, Tony's no salt. About 2.5 tablespoons. Paprika. Tablespoon. Lemon pepper. Tablespoon. Now we'll go ahead and mix everything together, and we're going to let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then we're going to start frying. Okay. So our grease is nice and hot. There we go, right there. That's what you want right there. Beautiful spot like that. Can go on. Okay, so we have our boiling water. We're gonna add our milk. I'm gonna let that come to a boil. Okay, so got a cool little boil. Now you wanna add your grits. This one you can put your little top on there and let them cook. Not too high. Turn them down some. Cause hot grits ain't good for you. Not at all. So y'all mans out there with them crazy girlfriends, don't get her mad. Don't get her mad at you. You just want to keep your eyes on your grits. So we'll go ahead and let this cook. We're not going to add the chicken bouillon, not just yet. We'll add it in a little while. Okay, so there we go. We'll add a half a stick of butter. Mix that in. Like so. Chicken bouillon. No sugar needed at all. And this one we grab our cheese, whatever cheese chose to use. I'm using my COLBY cheese. That's all you need. Now we'll get this good food on a nice plate so we can close this good video. And I hope y'all enjoyed my little video. And don't forget, hit that like button for me. Okay, so here we go right here. Nice little dinner put together. We have our fried fish, shrimp and grits. Look at it. When I say this is on hit, without sugar, no sugar at all, man, it's going crazy. fish and shrimps. Yes. I done did my thing right here in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's just a cool little idea for the good family and friends. If you don't feel like making nothing too big. And the kids love some grits. You can mix it up. Now that I had a good time filming with y'all, don't forget to hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.